Hi dear viewers, this is Arash Kamali with another session of the website programming course under Python programming language and the Django framework. A very warm welcome from me. Okay, in the previous session we made a counter of the news page dynamic so that when the number of the news changes, it would show the new updated number on the counter at the bottom of the news, and we would be able to see the number thus. Now in this section we are going to deal with the central boxes of the page which are set here. We are going to change it. We are going to change the categories to a sport, IT, cinema, and the latest news of each category is going to be shown for us to use. First we need to write a query to import our categories. We enter view of main app and the function home, and here what is interesting is that we have the categories because we have used them before. We have them here. We no longer have to write a query as a result, so we go to our home page and let's check this out. Let's check this out on our home page. This one, yep, that's right. This section, this is lifestyle. It is 4 posts that we have already added to it. That's right. This section, yep, it should be repeated. This section, we copy it. That's right, like this, and set it after that. Now we see the home page of the site. Refresh it. As you see, another box has been produced for us. We want to make it dynamic so that for each category a box with its latest news will show up. Alright, to do so, first I erase these codes. So here I need to write my foreign. Over here I write my foreign. What do I write? I write for. That's right. A newscat. I use different names for variables so that you realize it is not a constant thing and we can choose any name that we want anytime we make a new variable. And what should happen here? We need to say and the foreign and for. That's right. Now in this section we need to change the lifestyle, and newscat.name must be replaced. Now I refresh the first page. What happened? Sports, cinema, it. Now any category that I have would have a block made for it, and 4 posts will be its subcategories. Is that right? Do you understand it? Alright. Well, now we need to do something so that the posts that are set down here will be about the same category, not miscellaneous categories or the constant post. We need to make these dynamic. So in order to do that, we go for the rest of the job to take care of it. Of course, I need to say something here. We have set the box around the section as a whole. That is, we have formed the foreign like that. We can set the foreign only around the lifestyle, and in that way make it look better. This part would be repeated for us. That's what the foreign does. We like this. I guess the appearance would be better. Now as you see, the spaces have been deleted because we set the foreign around the lifestyle section and not the whole code. Yeah, as you see, it looks much better now. We also remove the former foreign. Let's check if it has been corrected. As you see, the spaces have been removed. We had set the foreign around the whole section, and because the whole section was being repeated, there were spaces in between which messed up with the appearance of the site. We just set it around the lifestyle post so that when we check the site, those spaces will no longer exist and we will see only the categories sports, eat, and any other category that we submit will be listed here in the next step. That is, we are going to the list and list the latest posts related to each category.